Hi everyone, welcome to another video. Today we are going to talk about a Spanish phrase. But before, don't forget to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons. And also, if you go on smlessons.com, you can purchase these amazing flashcards. And I'm leaving a link to that in the video description down below as well. Also, remember you can get a membership on this channel. That helps this channel a lot. And there are different perks when getting one. All the perks and memberships are right here, somewhere here. And yeah, okay, let's get started. The Spanish phrase of the day is hacer el favor or hacer un favor. Either one. We'll see the difference between the two phrases, hacer el favor or hacer un favor, okay? So, do you know what this phrase means? This phrase means do a favor. In some situations, it can mean please. It depends, of course. We'll see how this phrase works. But the main meaning of hacer el favor or hacer un favor is do a favor or to do a favor, right? It literally means to do the favor, okay? So that's very interesting. In English, people say do a favor or to do a favor. And in Spanish, it literally means to do the favor. Okay, so that's interesting. Essentially, you use this phrase when you need a favor and you ask someone for help, okay? And also, in some situations, it could be used in a more imperative way, to give an order or to be very firm when saying something specifically. We'll see an example. Okay, now let's see how to use this phrase. ¿Puedes hacerme un favor? ¿Puedes hacerme un favor? This means, can you do me a favor? This is a very common Spanish sentence, and also in English, it's very common to say, can you do me a favor? So, ¿puedes hacerme un favor? ¿Puedes hacerme un favor? And yep, it means can you do me a favor? Let's see another example. Hazme el favor de sentarte. Hazme el favor de sentarte. This means can you please sit down? We can see that this is more like an order. This is more imperative. You're giving an order almost. Hazme el favor de sentarte. So this phrase is not polite. It's not polite at all. Usually you say this when you are kind of angry and you want someone to do something just right away without questioning, Hazme el favor. Can you please sit down? Obviously, this is just an approximate translation of hazme el favor. It literally means do me the favor of sitting, which doesn't make that much sense in English. So that's why we're saying, can you please sit down? When you are annoyed, you could say something like, can you please sit down? Just do it, right? But in Spanish, you would say, hazme el favor de sentarte. Hazme el favor de sentarte. Okay? That means, can you please sit down? And use this kind of phrase when you are annoyed, when you're tired, when you want someone to do something right away. Okay? So you can change, obviously, the command or the order. So you can change the phrase and say instead, hazme el favor de comer. This means, can you please eat? Can you please eat? I'm just gonna can you please eat? Okay, so that we changed the meaning a little bit, but we are still asking for something, okay? Hazme el favor de callarte. For example, that's something very rude. Can you please shut up? Oops. Can you please shut up? You know, so that is a little impolite, very impolite. Hazme el favor de callarte. Can you please shut up? So, yeah, we can see that we can use this phrase for different situations or in different situations. Just be careful when using this phrase because it's a little or very rude, very impolite. Okay, let's move on. The last example is María me hizo el favor de llamar a mi esposo. María me hizo el favor de llamar a mi esposo. This means Maria did me a favor to call my husband. Okay, so hizo el favor, did me a favor. Okay, María me hizo el favor, María did me a favor de llamar, to call, a mi esposo, my husband. Okay, so we can see that Maria did a favor, and that's why we're using the phrase hizo el favor, did me a favor. Okay, and yeah, that's interesting. Just remember that something that you need to know is that usually when you say hazme el favor de, you use de, this word after the phrase, right? And same here. So we're using de right after the phrase. That's very common and it's good to know. Hazme el favor de, hizo el favor de. Okay? And remember, this is a more impolite and rude kind of sentence. And this one right here, well, it's just a question, right? You're asking for a favor. And here we can see that someone did a favor as well. Okay, so that's quite interesting. Okay, so that's it for today. I hope you like this video. Please let me know if you have any questions about this phrase. Just leave that in the comment section down below, and any comments that you would like to leave as well, or any suggestions for future lessons. Okay, as we can see, the Spanish phrase of the day is hacer el favor or hacer un favor. Okay, that's it for today. Remember to subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a video. Also visit smlessons.com for more free Spanish lessons and to purchase flashcards. They're awesome and they will help you learn more Spanish, and you can put this in your pocket or whatever you want and practice your Spanish. You can learn the conjugation of ser in different tenses or estar in different tenses. Also, you can learn different colors in Spanish. All of these flashcard sets are available on Etsy. Link is down below, and also on smlessons.com. Link is down below as well. Remember that you can get a membership on this channel and you can donate on smlessons.com as well. Another way to support the channel is by sharing this video with your friends and by giving the thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, for all your support, and I'll see you next time. Bye!